Imagine standing on the sun-baked plains of Africa, and suddenly a blur dashes past you. It's a cheetah, the fastest land animal, reaching speeds of up to 75 miles per hour. But what if I told you that their extraordinary speed is not just a product of their muscle power? The secret lies deep within their anatomy, unveiling a fascinating combination of physical adaptations that make them the ultimate sprinters of the animal kingdom. Anatomy of speed. Cheetahs have evolved to be the speed demons that they are. Their bodies are perfectly designed for sprinting. First, their lightweight frame is crucial. Unlike other big cats, cheetahs have long, thin bodies that help reduce wind resistance as they run. This slender build is paired with long legs that give them a broader stride, allowing each leap to cover more ground. Additionally, their unique spine plays a vital role. The spine is flexible, allowing it to stretch and compress as they run. When a cheetah sprints, this flexibility helps them increase their speed with each bound. Each time they push off the ground, their body stretches out, almost like a coiled spring being released. Furthermore, their powerful muscles are specialized for explosive speed. Cheetahs have a high proportion of fast-twitch muscle fibers, which are perfect for short bursts of speed. This muscle type lets them accelerate rapidly, reaching top speeds in mere seconds. But there's more. They also have large nasal passages and lungs that allow for better oxygen intake during their fast runs. These adaptations allow cheetahs to overtake their prey quickly. However, this incredible speed comes at a price. Cheetahs can only maintain their top speed for about 20 to 30 seconds. After that, they need to rest and recover. What could this mean for their hunting strategy? Hunting techniques. When it comes to hunting, cheetahs are clever and strategic. They prefer to hunt alone or with just one partner. This allows them to focus all their energy on their target. Unlike lions that use teamwork, cheetahs rely on their speed and stealth to get close to their prey before launching into a sprint. Cheetahs often start their hunts by scanning the grasslands for potential prey. Once they spot an animal, often smaller ungulates like gazelles, they adopt a low, crouched position. They try to sneak as close as possible without being seen. Once they are ready, they make their move. In a burst of speed, they bolt towards their target. This is where their unique physical traits come into play. They can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. It's crucial for them to reach their prey before tiring out. If they miss, there's no second chance. After the chase, you might be surprised to learn that cheetahs often rest for a while to recover. This is because their bodies consume a lot of energy during those brief sprints. It's a true test of endurance, proving that even the fastest need to balance speed with strategy. Social behavior and challenges. Interestingly, cheetahs are not as social as other big cats. They generally prefer solitude. Male cheetahs may form small groups called coalitions, usually made up of brothers. This behavior seems to help them protect their territory and increase their chances of successful hunts. Due to habitat loss and competition with larger predators, the cheetah population is in decline. This raises a crucial question about conservation efforts. How can we ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive in the wild? One surprising point is that cheetahs are not the most successful hunters. Despite their speed, they only succeed in a hunt about 50% of the time. This is lower compared to other predators like lions and leopards. Many people think that speed guarantees success, but strategy and timing are just as important. Myths and misunderstandings. There are many myths surrounding cheetahs that people often believe. One common myth is that cheetahs can only sprint and they cannot run for longer distances. While it's true that they excel at short bursts of speed, they can also maintain a pace faster than many animals for longer periods, though not nearly as long as slower predators. Another misconception is that cheetahs roar like lions. In reality, cheetahs communicate through a variety of sounds, including purring, hissing, and unique chirping noises. These sounds help them communicate with one another, especially during hunts or while raising their young. All these points raise interesting questions about how we see nature. What do we think we know versus what is the truth? It challenges us to learn more about these beautiful animals and appreciate the complexity of their lives. The future of cheetahs. As we look to the future, the survival of cheetahs is at stake. Conservation efforts are needed to protect their habitats and maintain healthy populations. Community education is essential, as locals can play a vital role in protecting these majestic creatures. Moreover, fostering coexistence with local farmers is crucial to keeping both humans and wildlife safe. By understanding the role of cheetahs in the ecosystem, we can all contribute to their preservation. Engaging in wildlife tourism and supporting conservation programs can also help. Every small step counts in making a difference for cheetahs and the broader wildlife they share their environment with. The more we learn about these amazing animals, the more we can advocate for their well-being. So, what do you think? Have you ever seen a cheetah up close or learned about their incredible abilities? How do you feel about the efforts to protect them? Your thoughts could be part of the ongoing conversation about their future.